A to Z emotions in stories for kids. A. Afraid. Example: the rabbit was afraid of the dark forest. B. Bold. Example: the little girl was bold and faced the dragon. C. Curious. Example: Tim was curious about the hidden cave. D. Determined. Example: she was determined to finish her race. E. Excited. Example: Max was excited for his birthday party. F. Friendly. Example: the puppy was friendly with everyone. G. Grateful. Example: Lily was grateful for her friend's help. H. Happy. Example: the clown made the children happy. I. Inspired. Example: the story inspired Tom to be kind. J. Joyful. Example: the kids were joyful on the playground. K. Kind. Example: Sarah was kind to share her toys. L. Lonely. Example: the bird felt lonely in the cage. M. Mad. Example: the boy was mad when he lost his toy. N. Nervous. Example: Emma was nervous before her test. O. Optimistic. Example: Ben stayed optimistic about winning. P. Proud. Example: Mia was proud of her painting. Q. Quiet. Example: the library was quiet and calm. R. Responsible. Example: Jack was responsible for his pet. S. Silly. Example: the monkey was silly and made funny faces. T. Thankful. Example: Anna was thankful for her gift. U. Unique. Example: every child is unique in their own way. V. Victorious. Example: the team felt victorious after the game. W. Worried. Example: Sam was worried about his lost book. X. Excited. Example: The kids were excited for the trip. Y. Youthful. Example: Grandpa's youthful spirit made him fun. Z. Zesty. Example: The chef's zesty cooking brought smiles.